took the radiator out of this thing. I'm getting an upgraded one. I'm gonna do a full aluminum. This radiator is pretty good, but I don't need it, honestly. I'm gonna go full aluminum, 2-row, better cooling. I am gonna track the car. I'm gonna track it. I think it's gonna be at Button Willow on October 15th. So I'm trying to set it up. I'm trying to put this bottom gate right here, this dump, because I didn't have one, and I was just blowing all that straight right there. So all the engine bay, I mean, even my oil filter is all dirty too. It's like just full of smoke. So I'm trying to do little things, trying to get it ready. I'm gonna do a different set of tires. Look at the turbo. Oof. So it's just here and there, just buttoning it up. Everything's good. Just waiting for the retune, honestly. But other than that, it's gonna be the same. Just run a little bit more boost. Have a better radiator, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna be pretty good, solid. Hopefully, I don't know if any of you guys live in SoCal, but I'll probably be up there in Button Willow. Take it to the track, see how a car does. Right now it's currently at 400, so I'll probably have it tuned before or maybe after. I'm not sure, just depending, but I'm just gonna have fun with it. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be that great. Probably gonna be a lot of power, but I'll have fun. Oh, and this oil return line is cheap, so that's been giving me a little bit of problems, but other than that, it's been good. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of seepage coming out of that return right there, and a little bit it's been leaking. Well, not leaking, it's just like sweating just a little bit right here. So that's gonna be addressed, but that's pretty much, I would say that's pretty much it. I mean, injector seals are all good. Oh, my fuel, actually, this I think this is the return or the feed, I don't remember. Point is, this fuel line ruptured. It was leaking fuel all over the place, so I fixed that, replaced it. Didn't do a video of it because it was an emergency. I had to do it. I was literally at a gas station doing it. It was freaking 98 degrees outside, and I had to do that. So I just took it off right now because I don't want to do it in the heat. So that's pretty much it. I'm just waiting on the parts to show up, and we'll go from there, pretty much. So it's gonna be a hot one. I don't want to work on it. I'll probably just wait, you know. I'll probably just wait until it cools down or something. But I am waiting on parts, and that's pretty much it. I just received the radiator, and I can already tell you it's a lot thicker than the OEM one that is right there. That one's a lot thinner. It's a 1-row. Look how thin this thing is. It's like probably a width of my finger right there. And let me see. Yeah, definitely a lot bigger. Definitely is gonna help with cooling at the track. Just gotta prep it, and I'll be putting it on later. It is too hot right now, and I'm definitely not good with hot weather. So I'll do it later on. So far it's been 2 to 3 days that I've been driving it around. I checked the coolant, does not go down. It's been pretty good. The only thing I do, well, anybody who has a forward facing turbo, you do have to cut these fins if you want to run the stock fans, because they will hit down here on the charge pipes. I am gonna make a notch right there, or maybe I'm just gonna put a slim fan on this one, but other than that, you should be good. OEM, if you have a OEM car or a stock car, you will not have any issues whatsoever. But since I am turbo, the charge pipe does run down here, and it gets pretty close, but it's not bad enough to the point where it doesn't fit. So just with that, keep in mind, you do have to cut these fins out. I cut 6 of those to be exact, and I still need to trim just a little bit right under. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do in order to run a thicker aluminum radiator. This is a DNA motoring, so it's, I would say like an eBay or Amazon radiator. It does the job, no issues whatsoever, and I got it for $130. And it comes with and it does come with the radiator cap, so it's good. It's good so far.